Here we are, Brother Andy visiting.
Hi.
We're off on the bikes today. Yeah. After has a traumatic experience in Telemark yesterday.
Interesting drive.
From Larvik.
Yeah.
You took the alternative route.
Very alternative.
Yes. And it sent you through Telemark to get to Hemsedal. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Up and down
and doing things that you really shouldn't do on a motorbike.
Yeah.
But no, I came through.
So this is the new hero of Telemark.
Oh, yeah.
Right. So these are the bikes. Ta-da. And Andy, being quite an individual, has got an adventure bike which very few people have heard of. All right, some people might have heard of it, like Adam Reeman and the rest of the world. Okay, let's go.
To start this day's ride, we followed the back roads up the valley of Hemsedal, enjoying the views of mountain peaks. We then turned off and ascended the road up beside the ski slopes into sparse birch woodland and the mountain heights.
That was a lot of fun.
As you may well appreciate, riding through all this majestic mountain landscape can be quite overwhelming, and indeed Andy's Tenere quite understandably decided that it was now time to lay down for a short rest.
Woo!
Rested and restored, we descended from the heights and followed winding gravel tracks through an undulating open landscape of shielings, rocky crags and small lakes, with the higher mountains of Hemsedal always on the horizon.
And just down to the right of it, that's where the waterfall is.
Oh, right, okay.
That's the one. So we're seeing it more or less from behind.
Yeah.
The day was getting late now, so we took a little known shortcut through the forest back to Hemsedal. This track was steep, washed out and rutted. You can't really see it on the film, but it was great fun to ride.
That was nice.
Yeah. I thought you'd like that.
That was nice. That was a lovely track.
Yeah. First time I rode it, it was in the autumn. I was almost dark.
Yeah.
It was pouring down with rain. There was a bloody river running down there.
Right.
And the ruts were much deeper. You know, I thought,
okay.
fuck it, if I end up in those ruts, I'm really get stuck. You know. And yeah, but it was really exciting because I was there and suddenly I couldn't stop. I just had to keep going, you know.
Yeah.
And that's when I found out this is a pretty good bike. You
Yeah,
know, so
yeah,
it
that's right.
did
yeah.
it really well. You know. Anyway.
That's good.
Not too shabby. There's one of the riders. Ta-da! Has it been a good day, Andy? Enjoyed yourself?